Hello, dear students. Today I am learn 10 lines about hockey. First, hockey is the national sport of India. Second, this game is played in other countries besides India. Third, India has been a world champion in hockey. Fourth, this game started from England. Fifth, like cricket, also hockey was brought to India by the British. Sixth, in this game, players have to run continuously. Seventh, in this game, to like cricket, there are two teams. 8. Each team consists of 11 players. 9. But in this game, both teams are in the field during the play. 10. Dhyan Chand was a brilliant hockey player who is called the hero of hockey.